This is Cosmos. Hi, Cosmos. Hi. And this is Alexandra. Hi. We're gonna do the cooking show today. Yay! Let's do the cooking show today. We're gonna do the chicken soup. We already started on it. We have some chicken there. We already have some boiled chicken there, some chicken wings. So what we need to do right now, we just need to add a little bit of rice to the soup, and we need to peel potatoes and cut onion and also some carrots. Yeah. Okay, so let's do the carrots and potatoes and onion. Okay, so let's peel some onion. Cosmos is already chewing on potatoes, and we are just shoving some carrots right there. Yeah. Okay. So the carrot is peeled. Can you give me the potato? Okay. We're peeling the potato. To make a chicken soup, we need approximately 2 liters of water, half a pound of chicken wings, a little bit more if you're gonna go with a chicken breast, and also just 1 potato, this size approximately, 1 carrot, and actually we need half an onion, not the whole onion. Okay, so we have the potato here. Potato is ready. So what we start with, we boil the water, we add some salt to the water, and then we put in the chicken wings or the chicken breast, whatever you decide to go with. It should be boiling on a slow for about an hour, so make sure that it's fully cooked. Well, you can give it less than that. You can give it 45 minutes, but so we are going to only use half of the onion. Yeah, half of the onion. You're chewing on the carrot. Hey. Yeah. No, you don't want to eat that onion. No. Okay. So I'm gonna just chop this onion. Okay. So the trick of cutting an onion is not to slice it all the way, so it's not, so it is sliced like that, right? But not all the way. We leave a little bit here, so it's easy to chop it, so it's not going all around and all over the table. There we go. We cut the onions, chopping the onion. Okay. Now we just need to chop it a little bit more. How is your carrot? What? What did you find there? Look. Chop it, onion. So this is how we are cooking with a baby. So the onion is chopped nice and small pieces. So we need to see how our chicken is doing. So as I mentioned before, let me see if I can, ooh. Okay, so here we go. Right there is our chicken. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna add some of the rice in there. So for 2 liters of water, and half a pound of chicken wings, we only need 2 full tablespoons of rice. So you can just put it into the pan like that. 1 and 2. And that's it. We've done the rice. Yeah, we're actually having the rice in the cookie tins, and it's really convenient. You know what we also started doing? We started putting our spaghetti and spaghettini into a little cookie jar also. So it's very, very, very convenient. Okay, Cosmos is grabbing the onion. We have an onion and the carrots. So are you gonna chop it too? So, how do you like your onion? Yeah, it's good. All good? Because you shouldn't be eating that carrot this way. Okay, so let's take this away. Can I have that carrot? Thank you. Thank you. Look at Cosmos. He's eating that onion just like that. You like it? So for the carrot, we are slicing the carrot to 2 pieces. And then we are again slicing a carrot into 2 other pieces. You like the onion, huh? You're just eating an onion like that? Oh, Jesus. So we have 4 nice carrot sticks. And one I can actually give to Cosmos. He's going to be eating the carrot right there. And I'll chop the carrot into smaller pieces also. So we'll have a delicious chicken soup. What, you gave me my carrot back? Okay. So we got our carrots into the small quarters right there. And Cosmos is just going for the onion. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna take that carrot from you. Okay. So the onions and carrots are done. You want your onion? No, you want small pieces? Okay. Ну что ты? Что там такое? Here. You want to cook something? Or you want to do the spoon? No. This shouldn't be. Here. You can eat your carrots with a spoon. No? Of course not. Because with the hands it's better. Okay, so our chicken is boiling. Right there. Let's see. So what we can do now, it's been already 10 minutes, we can add our onions and carrots to the pan. Sтой. No, мы сейчас картошку учим. And now we're gonna cut the potato. Okay. So onions and carrots are in the pan. Now we can cut the potato. You want the onion? Here's the onion. Give it to me. Давай. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give me the potato. Come on. I need that potato. I'm trading it for onion. Here's the onion. Give me the potato. Okay. Yeah, okay, fine. I know that many of you know how it is. Try to get the potato from the baby, and he's just chewing on the potato, right? Ой. about you play with some avocado instead? You want to play with avocado? Here, this is avocado. Okay, we're trading now. So Cosmos is going to be playing with avocado, and I will be chopping the potato. So what we need, the same as carrots, we just need a really small pieces of the potato. So that's why I'm slicing the potato like that and separate it. You want a piece of potato here. Okay, so Cosmos didn't like avocado. He's gonna be just eating potatoes. And we are gonna... No, please don't come here. No. Really? And then what happened? Oh, really? And then what happened? What should we do next? Tell us. Okay. All right. Here we go. We have our potatoes in nice little cubes like that. And it's just one potato. And all we need to do is to add this potato to our pot with the chicken soup. And that's it. That's all we have to do. Are you cleaning up already? No? Okay. So now our chicken soup is boiling. Yeah? So let us see. Here we go. You see how it looks like? Everything is inside. Everything is boiling. And what we're going to do right now, we're just gonna wait. Because our chicken soup is gonna be ready in half an hour. And we can finally go and play. Yeah, we'll go and play. Yeah? Mm-hmm. No, we're gonna go and play. No, you're telling them what potatoes you picked? Cosmos picked his own potatoes today. Yeah? You picked your own potatoes? Okay. Alright, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. We're gonna eat chicken soup in about 40 minutes. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.